Just do it.
Oh, just do it. Like Nike. Look, we're probably doing this wrong.
So we started to put the snorkel on, and then we realised that the snorkel was going to get in the way, or there was a part that was going to get in it. The resonator is going to get in the way of the snorkel tube, so we are off to get, I took the resonator off, but now there's a hole where the resonator went into the air intake, so now we need to go and get another one of these. We're hoping, this one's plastic, we're hoping to get a rubber one, and then that'll go into that hole that's already there rather than just siliconing it over. We'll get two of those, and then hopefully like a little FT tube thing that can go into both of them and then into the snorkel tube. So we've got the snorkel on the panel, and then we just need to fix this up, put the panel back on the car, and then screw the snorkel into the roof, and we have a snorkel.
We're back. We've got the pieces. Grace has gone out to get another clamp because that doesn't clamp as a circle and doesn't clamp around the pipe, even though it said that it would. So we have to get a proper clamp because these ones suck. So Grace has gone out to do that, and then hopefully the snorkel's finished.